You're scaling automation, and the platform you choose today will either compound your efficiency or quietly drain your budget. Make.com promises no-code simplicity with visual workflows. n8n self-hosted promises full control with zero per operation fees. The real question isn't which looks better, it's which costs less at volume. The core problem. Make.com solves workflow automation for teams needing fast deployment without engineering overhead. n8n solves the same problem but shifts cost from subscription fees to infrastructure and maintenance labor. Architecture reality check. Make.com runs on a cloud-native, multi-tenant engine where every action inside a workflow counts as a billable operation. At 100,000 operations monthly, you're in mid-tier plan territory, and workflows with iterators or routers multiply that count fast. n8n self-hosted runs on your own compute. A $20 to $40 VPS handles moderate loads, but you absorb engineering time for uptime, upgrades, failure recovery, and queue management. The hidden cost. Make.com's real trap is operation inflation. A workflow touching 5 modules per record at 10,000 records isn't 10,000 operations, it's 50,000. With n8n self-hosted, the hidden cost is ops overhead. 2 maintenance hours monthly at a $75 blended rate is $150 in labor before a single workflow runs. The logical verdict. For teams under 500,000 monthly operations with no DevOps capacity, Make.com wins on total cost of ownership. Above that threshold, or with dedicated technical resources, n8n self-hosted typically breaks even within 3 months and scales linearly after. Run your own operation count before committing. The math changes everything. Check the description for current pricing links, free trial access, and our recommended infrastructure stack for n8n deployment. Subscribe for more teardowns that skip the marketing and show you the real numbers.